everyone, I'm Rhiannon from Rhiannon's Enchantment, and I'm going to show you how to make some Halloween decorations from household items or things you can pick up quite cheaply in local shops. To start off, we're going to make a very easy skeleton pumpkin like this one here, and all you'll need for this is some toilet roll tubes, a wee bit of string and some scrap paper. And a wee bit of paint if you want to paint it. Anyway, get your toilet roll tube, squash it in half a wee bit. We're going to cut this into rings, and what I've done already is I've marked a few spaces where I want to cut along. So I'll just show you for quickness, but you'd have much more time than me. Please be careful with your fingers. I've already lost a bit of a finger this year already, so I definitely don't want to do that again. So I've cut these at about 1.5 centimetres wide, and I've already cut some other ones that were a bit thinner than that, maybe half the size of that. So I've used 2 toilet roll tubes for this one. Just squeeze them back into a circular shape again. I've got a piece of string, doesn't need to be too long. And now for the easy bit, threading your hoops onto the chain. Maybe try and mix them up with skinny ones and bigger ones. A couple there. There we go. Whoops. Trust me, it's not as easy as it looks. Last couple on now. Is the one I made today, this little one, that's only using 1 toilet roll. But I thought it'd be smart this time and try it with 2. So this is the first time I've ever done this as big. There. Once you've made your toilet roll chain, just tie them in a knot, pull them as tight as they can go, and leave the ends for just now, and just try and scatter them round to make a circle. You might still have to bash them into shape a wee bit. And you can see that's now forming an oval rustic shape. Looks quite good actually. So lay that flat down again. Then with a spare piece of paper, this is just a bit I had in recycling. I'm going to make that a wee bit shorter. Scrunch it up and twist it. This is going to form your stalk. So you make this any shape that you want really. Make sure you get all the ends in. And quite simply, push it into the middle of your pumpkin. To make the stalk. And I think that looks quite nice just as it is in its natural colours. What you can do now is you can paint it any colour you want. Once you're happy with the shape of it, maybe cut off the string ends. And give it a wee coat of paint. I've got some paint here. Yeah, that's come on quite nice. The good thing about your stock as well is, here a wee tip. If you're painting the top of your pumpkin rings, when you turn it upside down to paint the underside, you can hold on to the stock to get underneath, which I thought was quite a handy wee thing. So I won't bore you with painting that all the way around. But there you go, a wee quick and easy pumpkin that will look really cool sitting on your mantelpiece, or maybe at your dinner table, bedside cabinet, even at your door. It might blow away at your door actually, maybe inside your door, on your windowsill maybe. And it might last longer than real pumpkins or anything you can buy in the shops. And also, once you're done with it, fed up with it, don't want it anymore, you just pop it in recycling, because everything here is biodegradable. Okay? Thanks very much for watching. Bye!